Hello everyone, I am Shomodip Patra. I am from Techno India University and today I am going to present a research report. My research topic is impact of online product reviews on mutual fund purchase decision. So first of all, I want to thank my mentor to Mr. Obik Das sir for giving me such opportunity. So through this project report, I want to show you that the factors that affect for the online customers for buying those mutual fund products and how the mutual fund companies are sharing with those customers their how cooperating with those customers and how they are taking those customers complaint and how they are solving those complaint very quickly. Now the introduction part. Basically this is one of the most important topic in nowadays because we know that the people are very busy in nowadays and even they don't have time to think for their future, but still we have to think for our future. For thinking that we need to invest in mutual fund and we don't need to go to the distributor section or to the retailer section. We can invest in mutual fund through online mode. Now this is the literature review section, and here I include some books names, some author names and some research paper name from where I gain some knowledge related that report. Now the objective of the project. Now the main objective of the project is to show you that the how customers sharing their reviews after buying that mutual fund products and how companies are cooperating with those customers. Now this is the methodology part. Here I include some data and I make a questionnaire session for my colleagues, my friends, from whom I took some their personal opinion, and I make and I share with you that. Now this is the mutual fund companies analytics and platform attraction. So customers are very much cautious in nowadays, and they have a question that how they can arise their complaint and how they can how if any problem occurs, then how they can share with this problem with the company. So through this project we will share with you that how we can do that. Now the consumer motives for reading online reviews. Consumer have a good habit. We can say that good habit or bad habit, but I will say that this is the good habit for consumer to know the actual thing, to know the actual validity of that product, whether the product is good or bad. Now this is the how can mutual fund investors can get their complaint redressed through online mode. Now there are some ways. First a question may arise in the consumer's mind that how they can complain. So they may make a complaint through the SEBI website, that is the Security Exchange Board website, and they also have another way. They can go to the distributor section or retailer section to make a complaint. So we can say that it may arise a question that if we go to the SEBI website, how can we make that. So there is the procedure that we have to go to the SCORE website, and there we will find one like this, that the investor corner. There we have to share with them our email ID, and we have to make a password, and after that we can enter there, and there we can make a complaint. Now how to track the status of our complaint? We need to go to the SEBI portal, and there we can track our complaint. Now the strategies adopted by the asset management companies to improve customer reviews. Companies have made many strategies to take the customers reviews, and customers are very much cautious about that reviews. So this is very important for any mutual fund companies to show the new customers the product reviews. Tips that asset management companies are following for responding to online customers. So here we can see that if a customer complaining, or if a customer sharing their questions with those companies, so company need to reply very quickly, so that the customer will get benefited. Now the sample of mutual fund companies customer reviews. Here we can see that the some image of companies, some image of customer reviews uh, from mutual fund companies. Now the strategies that adopted to develop electronic word of mouth. We heard the word of mouth, that is the thing that customers are talking one by one, and the new customers are willing to know the thing from them, and they gain knowledge from them, and they are ready to, and then he or she is ready to buy that product. So here we will talk about electronic word of mouth, that is the word of mouth, and this is occurring by through electronic. So this is the electronic word of mouth. And now the conclusion part and the recommendation part. So in the conclusion and recommendation part, we can say that the people are very much cautious, and they are want to know the actual things about that product. They will justify whether the product is good or not. After that they will buy that product. So here are some references. Thank you.